Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we have started a new chapter of your textbook, that is exponents and powers. First of all, we will write the definition of exponents or powers. Dear students, exponent, it is a number which indicates the number of times multiplication is to be performed. It is written above the base number on its right side. Now dear students, exponent, it is a number, exponent or power, it is a number which indicates the number of times multiplication is to be performed. इसकी definition ये है, it is a number which indicates the number of times multiplication is to be performed. It is written above the base number. On its right side. Now dear students, for example, in 5 raised to power 3, 5 is called the base and 3 is called the exponent or index. It is also called the power. The 3 which is written above the number on right side, which is written above the base on its right side, it is called the exponent or power. It indicates, here it is 3, it indicates the number of times multiplication is to be performed. For example, here 3 indicates that 5 is multiplied 3 times, means 5 into 5 into 5, we get 125. Therefore 5 in 5 raised to power 3, 5 is called the base and the above part, which is called the index or it is called the power, it denotes it indicates that the number of times the multiplication is to be performed. Therefore 5 raised to power 3, here 3 indicates that 5 is multiplied 3 times. और नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में हम देख सकते 7 raised to power 2. Here 7 is the base and 2 is called the exponent or it is called the power. 2 indicates here 7 is multiplied 2 times, means 7 into 7. We get 7 7s are 49. Or next example dear students, here x raised to power 6. Here in this number, in this exponential form, x is the base and 6 which is written above the base on its right side is called the power. This 6 indicates, it is a power which indicates that x which is called the base is multiplied 6 times, which can be written as x into x into x into x into x into x. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore x is multiplied by 6 times. Here 6 is x raised to power 6. Here 6 is the power which indicates the number of times the multiplication is to be performed. Therefore exponent means it is a number. Here it is a 3. यहाँ इस example में the number was 6. यहाँ तो 2 था. It is a number which indicates the number of times the multiplication is to be performed. For example, अगर हमारे पास 9 raised to power 3 होगा, 9 is called the base and this 3 is called the power or exponent, which indicates that 9 is multiplied 3 times. It is called the exponent. Therefore, the power indicates the number of times multiplication is to be performed. Here it is 9 raised to power 3 or it is also called a 9 cube. Therefore, it is solved by 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 8s are 72. Therefore, 9 raised to power 3 is equal to 729. Now, dear students, another example is here. It is 0 exponent. Now, dear students, what is 0 exponent? zero exponent if x is a rational number, if x is any natural number, if x is any natural number or rational number other than 0, and we can say that, and x is not equal to 0, then x raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. It is called the zero exponent. For example, if x is a rational number, if x is any natural number, say x को हम replace करें by a natural number, that is 5. Here 5 raised to power 0 is called a zero exponent, and 5 raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Therefore, zero exponent means if x is any natural number or rational number and x is not equal to 0, therefore then x raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Or we can say that y raised to power 0 is always equal to 1, where y is some natural number or rational number. Or we can say that 7 raised to power 0 is always equal to 1, or 1 divided by 8 raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. It is called the zero exponent. Means 5 raised to power 0, in 5 raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. 1 raised to power 8, here 1 divided by 8 is a rational number, raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. It is called the zero exponent. Now there another example, another one is the negative exponent. The next one is here the negative exponent. Dear students, if x is a rational number different from 0, other than 0, different from 0, then x raised to power minus 1, x raised to power minus 1, here exponent is negative, x raised to power minus 1 denotes the reciprocal of x. For example, the negative exponent, if x is a rational number, for example 1 divided by 3, if x is a rational number, here x is equal to 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3 is a rational number, if x is a rational number different from 0, then x raised to power minus 1 denotes the reciprocal of x. Here x raised to power minus 1 is equal to x, actually it is x divided by 1. तो हमें इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेना होगा. जब हमें नेगेटिव पावर कन्वर्ट करना होगा पॉजिटिव में, तो हमें x का हमें रेसिप्रोकल लेना होगा. इट इज x डिवाइड बाय 1, तो ये होगा 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x, तो इसका पावर होगा 1. तो यहाँ लिखा था मैंने, इफ x इज अ रैशनल नंबर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 0, 0 के बगैर होगा कोई नंबर, देन x रेज्ड पावर माइनस 1 डिनोट्स द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ x. तो फॉर एग्जांपल 5 raised to power minus 1 is always equal to 5 raised to power 1. इसको हम पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, इसको पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट में, पॉजिटिव पावर में. तो हमें इस 5 का रेसिप्रोकल लेना होगा. इट इज 5 डिवाइड बाय 1, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 रेज्ड पावर, इसका पावर इट इज 1. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ये 5 रेज्ड पावर माइनस 2 होगा, 5 रेज्ड पावर माइनस 2, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 5 डिवाइड बाय 1, इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 5 डिवाइड बाय 1 डिवाइड बाय 5, और ये माइनस 2 कन्वर्ट होगा पॉजिटिव 2 में. तो इसका रिजल्ट होगा 5 का स्क्वायर होगा 5 into 5, that is 120. 5 5 is 25. Now another example, dear students, is if x is a rational number, or suppose 3 raised power minus 3, इसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना इनटू पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट में. तो हमें इसका 3 का रेसिप्रोकल लेना. एक्चुअली इट इज 1 डिवाइड बाय 3, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल जो होगा 1, इसका होगा 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. इट इज 3 डिवाइड बाय 1, इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 1 डिवाइड बाय 3. तो ये नेगेटिव पावर जो था वो पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट होगा, तो वी गेट 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, we get 1 divided by 3, 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Therefore, 3 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by 27. तो ये था जब हमारे पास नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट होगा, इसको हम कैसे पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट पे कन्वर्ट करेंगे। तो हमें इस एक्स रे जो हमारे पास रैशनल नंबर होता है, इसका हमें रेसिप्रोकल लेना होता है। Now dear students, next one is the laws of exponents. तो dear students, next topic होगा इसमें laws of exponents, वो हम next lecture में discuss करेंगे।